Let's get stock specific and let's get there quickly. British American Tobacco intends to sell between 7 to 15.5% of or 15.3% of the issued ordinary share capital in ITC Hotels. Mithali here with more on that one. Mithali, what do you have for us? Okay, I believe Snehi is here with that one. Snehi, what do you have for us?
Well, yes. So, a stock to watch out for today is going to be ITC Hotels on the back of the news flow that British American Tobacco, which is BAT, which is one of their major stakeholders, is planning to pare stake. Now, we understand that this is not new because remember, in earlier this year in February, BAT had made it very clear in their con call that they have received these shares in ITC Hotels as part of its demerger from ITC. BAT is a holder of ITC. It holds 24% stake in ITC Limited, and they want nothing to do with the hotels business, and which is why they will be paring stake at the right moment, and seems like they have picked now to be that right moment. Let's understand some numbers here. BAT holds about 15.3% stake in ITC Hotels via 3 of its subsidiaries, which is Tobacco Manufacturers India, Middleton Investment and Rothman International Enterprises. All of these three make up a combined holding of 15.28%. Now, BAT is believed to sell between 7 to 15.3% of its shareholding, 15.3% being its entire holding all at once. Sale is going to be happening via block deals. So what we understand from Bloomberg is that it's going to be to the quantum of 14.6 crore shares at a floor price of about 205.6 rupees, which is a 1% discount from yesterday's closing price. And in rupee terms, this would value the deal anywhere between 3,000 and 6,600 crore rupees, depending the quantum that they decide to sell. Now, remember in Feb, like we spoke about earlier in the con call for BAT, they had decided that they are going to be trimming this stake, and Elara, on the back of this development, they've kept the target price unchanged at 266, and they're saying that if this happens at 207, the amount could be between 3,000 and 6,600 crore rupees. Just to reiterate the ITC Hotels guidance that they provided in the second quarter, they aim to add more than one hotel opening every month for the next 24 months, and they're targeting 220 operational hotels by FY30 with 20,000 plus keys. Now, this has been hiked from their earlier guidance of 18,000 plus keys in the next 5 years. Lastly, just taking a look at the peer valuations, ITC Hotel seems to be comparatively okay, where its price to earnings is not too cheap but not too expensive as well. Chalet Hotels trades at 142 times price to earnings, and Sami at 41, which is the lower end, and ITC is exactly in the middle with 67.6 times. So that's the take on ITC Hotels, and the reason why that stock is going to be in focus is on the back of this BAT sale later today.
Okay, very interesting. And hospitality stock, first off, thank you, Snehi, for that. But hospitality stocks have been in focus. They've done very well. But we've seen ITC Hotels come off from those 52-week highs, as has been the case with many of the others.